Game center. Game center. Game center. Game center.
Console.
Pachinko place.
Arcade.
I don't know, I'm sorry.
That would be like a net cafe or something where kids go to play video games.
That's right. Game arcade.
Oh,
Game
okay.
arcade.
Oh, okay.
Game arcade.
Hey, there we go.
Fried potatoes. Fried potatoes. Fried potatoes. Fried potato. Fried potatoes.
French fries.
French fries, I
Yeah.
say.
Like French fries?
Oh, chips. Oh, fries.
French fries.
Chips from McDonald's. I don't know.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Chips. French fries.
Okay.
Sea chicken. Sea chicken. Sea chicken. Sea chicken.
Oh, sea chicken.
Sea chicken.
Oh, what is gonna be sea chicken?
Chicken.
That's
The most difficult question.
Is it like tuna? I don't know.
Algo que sea como un pollo de mar.
gotta be chicken sashimi, fellas. I'm gonna call a no-go on that. I have no idea what sea chicken is.
I don't know.
Tuna.
Tuna. Tuna.
Yeah.
Tuna.
The answer is canned tuna.
Oh, okay.
Oh! Yes!
Yes.
Canned tuna.
Can't.
Yeah, we say. Did you know that? Or just.
An American brand.
Wow. That's right. Canned tuna.
Chicken of the Sea.
Oh!
Is a brand of
yes.
tuna.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay. 8 river, 2 road.
A river.
Road. What do you think?
Grass.
That's right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Good guess. River.